Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to install applications with WinUtil. So, first click on the install in the top left corner, and here are all the applications supported by this program. So now select some, for example Chrome, from communications, Teams, and Notepad++. And now selected apps, as you can see, free. And now install upgrade applications. Click on this. And now it is installing. If you already have this application, it will update to the newest version. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.